President John Dramani Mahama. Afna no de nsam yenu ne besoma so e. Mo mfa ne nsaba ko mfa ne nsam yenu so. Sebe ya obetwa 2 terms ni nyina. 2 hands, 2 terms. 1 hand, 1 term.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Hello, Abushafo. I hope so. Obia Hoye. I bring you special greetings wherever you are. Now, on say Michelle Mobose, President John Mahama, the bodyguard here. Okay, President John Mahama. A man who timid in Sambi no I saw a phenomenon. Na a bit media confirm Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah prophecy no. On say me can say Obin penny di mame na mo penny di mamia. May video be namde abona baso. Nti obi sende ni din edimame na edia o sende edimame no ene Lieutenant Colonel Wahab Abdul Issah na sa abrantie anase sa owrai Lieutenant Colonel Wahab Abdul Issah ono enti na me yesa video way send me promise ya no say me video namde abona baso. Niam say video way etimi akọ viral pa. I am the first person me yesa video no about say President John Mahama or then some ebeso afenenimuno. I was the first person to do it. I think all over Ghana. I think when I check on the internet, we were the first person. You and I, we were the first person to make a video here. Wow, share bia or like here or drop a comment biano. God bless you. That video has gone viral. It is now almost over 40,000 views on my YouTube channel. So you and I, we did it together. Thank you very much. Nasa Lieutenant Colonel Abdul Wahab Issah. Mame mamo ni history kakra. Say me call internet senka menya ni history kakra, but man shada nyan bebre. But kakra na menya no, I want to share with you. Sir Yura Lieutenant Colonel Abdul Wahab Issah. Now ono na eye the commanding officer. Ewo arts. Arts na ye ARTS. Ejina Homa Army Recruit Training School. Eno ye bia ewo Ghana. Omo recruits like army for na ye training omo ema omo ba army ni mu na ono no na ye commanding officer ena tabia na oye commanding officer no. There was somebody over there na ono na ye commanding officer, but I think that the person handed over and I have forgotten that name no, but Abdul Wahab Issah ono na oteki over from near or handy over no na anche bia na yesan so eye no ADC ono no beboa ye mampani na ADC no, letter ADC. That is the ADC. Na ejina homa aid the camp. A French word on aid. Ti say dey bia oko baby especially when hospital and I say baby omo take care of people no na ebia aid workers for ho no AIDE aid. So we mo no ye aid the camp. Omuna me fan say omuboa officers omuboa empanimfo enom ene ede no enti no se mo behwa Akufo-Addo de na oboaboa Akufo-Addo no ono na nansan na Akufo-Addo ema the state of the nation's address our parliament na o collapse ye no. I think say omuta share red na baby president me fan say or ye any official duty a omuna eba ho na omu beboa omu no omu no ye fro omu ADC aid the camp into omuboa officers and dignitaries into sana omuso dianotie sa abranti na oye the commanding officer Emma Arts Army Recruit Training School sa abranti ono na yasan a promoting as say wabeye ADC Lieutenant Colonel Abdul Wahab Issah into no oye Lieutenant Colonel na adia ayam nwan say se me hwe ni din na I suspect say bia obeye kramoni. I suspect say bia obey kremoni. Now so even though Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah Ashenkom Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah aye Christoni Abdul Wahab Lieutenant Colonel Abdul Wahab Issah me hwe ni din na obey kremoni. And so oje commissioner Prophet Isaac Owusu Bempah ekan ye no abrantie anase yewrai oje sankom hye no di ema no timi kai ye mampani John Mahama ema no timi de ne nsa mienu eso afenani mu. I am hoping say Awurade bi hu ye mampani mobo say ayenyame pe say okọ 2 times dia Awurade manemram say nye ne pe nso dia onyame ema ne pe enye ho ema oman Ghana ene yewra John Mahama abrabom. That is all that I can say. Say Awurade pe enye ho ma oman Ghana ene obi bia owo oman mu wo a wutie me ene me ameti hei. It is my prayer say onyame pe ene be yo ho ede amaye. Enti yewra Lieutenant Colonel Wahab Abdul Issah me ka se me video ede afa no ho na mabona baso. Enti sa abrante anase yewra ono na otimi kai ye mampani na tada me kai no se me hwe ne din na I think say bia obeye kremoni enso so wamfa ho se ebia okristoni na aka okristoni odifo na ahye san komwe okai yewra John Mahama ema no timi de ne nsamienu eso mu ema bibia ye kama na edi no ono na mefa se obeboaboa omampani se mefa se obehia nsuo anase bia so hwewe ya na omampani emse ne space no na obesoe no I think say oyi ne space no oyi ye no odema Abdul Wahabi ono na ojiye na ohwe ha na omampani ebesan ehia ne space no nti ono na esese odema ne back enti no I say aid the camp ADC to ono na obeboaboa no engakra krasa enti me ye video we e de amano se ye de na se bebre ye bona baso se otimi boae ema we etimi bemu na I think say on share ni a lot of information online social media enti no kakra ya minya ya eno no me pacho mun share video we ema ne nsanka ema me mwai me sira mo mun share ema ne nsanka na mun kanche ne say we are very grateful to him so otimi kai ye mampani na ayemi prayer say omampani John Dramani Mahama obefa abrantie Lieutenant Colonel Wahab Abdul Issah edina ayeni aid ebra owo amamumu nyina onfa abrantie onfa no men ho because abrantie we my dream chirem say osuro nyame enti no this is what I can say enti me di ba we ye die metima kan say Awurade Nhyira officer Lieutenant Colonel Wahab Abdul Issah a otimi kai ye mampani ema ne de ne nsamienu ene timi so afenani mu ema bibia eye kama enti no medamu nyina ase share me kan no mon share ema abrantie ne nsa entimi nkabi. Please like my page, subscribe to my page, like it and drop a comment, share and let us build something. This is a new page as you all know. Please let us do it and make it great. Let us contribute and make it great. I know you will do it, so I want to thank you in advance. Thank you very much.
President John Dramani Mahama obenante bokose 7th January obenante slow afna no de nsam yenu ne besoma so Oshes munyina ya maami achi monfa ne nsa ba ko mfa ne nsam yenu nso sebe ya obetwa 2 times ni nyina. Hallelujah. 2 hands 2 times, 1 hand 1 time.
Enu ndi so hwa he nyina no okai no aso mampani ukọ afansa menu o mampani ukọ afansa menu. Nti ha no ena nanka a refree aba no ena officer Wahab esan kai ni biom so mampani referee dem kai no fansa menu som
Thank you for watching. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel, hit the like button, share, drop a comment, and hit the notification bell so you could be notified anytime we post a new video. Also consider following me on other social media platforms with the same handle, BluntGhana. We hope you will do that. Thank you.